I've been super curious about this brand and I picked up this bag during a recent sale. Welcome to the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. I'm Jen and we're going to be unboxing a handbag from the Veronica beard brand. I think they're kind of newer to producing bags, but they've been well known for clothing and accessories. So the prices, I would say I've seen bags between like $300 and $600, but they were having a really good sale and I could not resist this one. I've had my eye on this style for quite some time. Ooh. So it comes in a branded Veronica beard box, and wow, it even comes with a pretty nice dust bag. This is sort of a twill material. Okay, I'm impressed already. Oh my gosh. All right, such a little cutie. So I picked up the mini Goody bag, and this is sort of in a tan color. It comes in two different sizes, a regular and the mini. The regular size looks like a great bag, and those were also on sale, but they're just too big for my everyday life. So I decided to go with the mini. It's sort of a drawstring bucket bag. I was curious about the quality of the leather and the bags overall. The retail price was about $500. I did not pay anything close to that, and it was nice to get it directly from the website. Yeah, this dust bag is great. The material actually reminds me of the eBay dust bags you get with purchase, so I would say they're pretty similar to that. It's got the branding on it. I think this is fantastic, especially since I got this on sale. This is a pretty small bag. It sold out pretty quickly when it moved to the sale section. It sold out and I was like, oh, you know, shucks, whatever. Then I noticed it was back at an even lower price. This is a sign, I gotta go for it. So it has gold hardware. It does not have feet, but that's actually okay. I have handbag heels, so I might be able to use those. Okay, the bag does have that nice new car leather smell. Quality seems good. I'm not noticing anything off the bat. Gold hardware, D-rings. It does come with a strap, and it comes really nicely packaged. Like, look how protected everything is. Does not have feet, but that's okay because I've got my handbag heels magnetic purse feet, so that's okay. Can't return this. It was final sale, but I'm okay with that. Comes with a fairly thin, adjustable, removable strap, also in leather. Right off the bat, this strap is very thin. Like, I don't even know if it's a ½ inch. It's closer to a ¼ inch, I would guess. So I might actually switch this out with one of my dress up your purse straps. That's sort of a close color match. We'll have to see if it works. But so far, I'm impressed with the quality. I think for what I paid, I'm pretty happy with this. Would I pay $498, the retail price? I don't know. They do seem to have pretty good seasonal sales. By the way, this is of course not sponsored. I bought this. I do have some affiliate links, and I'll link to the website and some other authorized retailers of Veronica beard. Yeah, this is a pretty small bag, but it should fit like what I need for every day. Has sort of a microfiber polyester lining. I do like the color, so it'll be easy to see my stuff in here because it's sort of a lighter color. A zip pocket on the inside. Got a little leather tag in here. The packaging and the unboxing experience is really nice. Oh, it's got a little card in here. Okay. The zipper quality is really nice. It slides really easily. It not only has a drawstring on it, but it also has this magnetic snap closure here. So you could either wear it like this, so kind of more of like a flat style, or pull the drawstring. All right, here we go. All right, the drawstring's it's a little tight. All right. So this is sort of a cute silhouette. The handles are really tiny, so definitely you can't put your arm through it. So, but you can carry it top handle as like a little, like if you just want like a tiny little bag. I think it's really cute. And it also has this little insignia crest hardware on it, but I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, so far I'm really liking this bag. It also has these outer pockets here. I don't think you can really fit a phone in here. Like the pockets seem a little more decorative. They also have a pocket. Okay, this is like a tiny pocket too. I guess you could maybe get like a pen in there. I don't even know. Is this a pocket as well? All right, yeah. Oh, yeah, this is a pocket too. Okay, so you got two super tiny pockets, and then you have two pockets on the side. Let me get my phone and I'll show you just sort of how it fits in there. Just to give you an idea of the scale of this bag, here's an iPhone 13 Pro, and you can fit it in vertically. It technically can go horizontally too. It's a bit of a tight squeeze, but you can do it. So you can fit it either the long way or you can stand it up. So, okay, that's good to know. I didn't think I was gonna be able to do that. It can fit quite a bit inside, so you can fit like a card case or a small wallet, some lip products, travel size hand cream. So yeah, I like this so far. I'm pretty happy with this purchase, especially since I got this bag on sale. And I like that it has the D-rings on the side, so you can add other straps or you can add little charms or chains to it. I think that would be really cute. The bag hardware on this is kind of small and the D-ring is fairly small as well. The gold hardware is not a light color. It's more of like a true gold, so you can see the color. But I like the bag. I think it's really cute. I'm not regretting this so far. We'll see how it holds up over time, but I was super curious about the brand. I like the styles. I've been waiting to try out something from Veronica Beard, and I am glad I did. So this is my unboxing of the Veronica Beard mini goodie bag. I'm gonna link some similar styles into the website so you can see what else they have. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. Have you tried any of the handbags from Veronica Beard? Do you wear the clothing? Are you curious? I would say this is kind of like a mid-tier brand. It's not quite luxury, just in terms of the pricing. The clothing seems fairly popular. I don't own any of the clothing, but I thought the handbags were they really caught my eye, and I wanted to try something from the collection. Anyways, I'm Jen with the Sunshine Fashion Love channel. I will see you again in the next one.